hex stock. And this is another old school way that parts were made before computers, for electronics. We used to make stuff with simpler machines, and they were, and still are, pretty reliable. There it faces the part, and now it's drilling. One of the tap drill size. Well, this is a machine that I get to just babysit every once in a while, and it pretty reliably makes parts all day long. There, we're turning the hex stock off. And then there's another tap drill size, slightly different size at the far end of the part. And these machines are pretty cool because you can do multiple operations, machine cutting operations, turret and cross slide at the same time. It's pretty cool. Most CNC machines aren't twin turret, but some are. I'm sure the Chinese probably have top of the line twin turret machines. There's a tap, forming tap. That one's making a fine thread, metric fine thread. And then last, the part cycle is the part chute and the parting tool. That's the first op. And then there's actually a hand turret lathe operation I do on the second operation for it. So yeah, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work to make parts these old-fashioned way.